What's going on, guys? It's your boy Z-Ham, and today I am straight piping my 350Z. I'm gonna pull it out real quick, get a quick video of the stock exhaust, and then go get it straight piped. Today's the next day. It rained yesterday, so I really wasn't able to record my exhaust much or my reaction or any of that, but I got a couple clips today that I'll be able to show you guys, maybe some flybys, some revs, stuff like that. Yes, I did blast pipes, so let the hate begin. Alright, so a quick disclaimer, I did not do this exhaust myself. I took it to a shop and had them straight pipe it for me. They cut off the muffler and the resonator. That makes it somewhat of a straight pipe. I didn't do the cats. I left the cats where they were. I didn't want to deal with the tune or anything. Quick explanation of the exhaust. So like I said, they cut off the muffler and the resonator, and then they created a custom Y pipe for in place of the muffler, and then the resonator they can just put a pipe right there. And the only reason they had to create that Y pipe is because I wanted the dual, well, it's single exit exhaust with dual tips, and they had to do the Y pipe so they could have both those tips functional. I never ended this video, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.